Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to deactivate your Truecaller account. Alright, so it's very easy, so let's get started. Deactivating your account is very easy. So as you know, once you deactivate your account, you won't be able to make use of your account for some time until you activate it again. All right, so if you want to deactivate your account, it's very easy. All you have to do is to go ahead, open the app, and then you are going to see these three dots at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to get this settings option showing right here. Go ahead and select that. Once you select that, you're going to see all these options. Click on privacy center. Once you click on the privacy center, just scroll all the way down and you are going to find these deactivate my account option right here. So all you have to do now is to click on that. Once you click on that, here you are going to be asked if you are sure you want to deactivate your account. All right, so if yes, just go ahead and check that box, and then check these other boxes as well for spam protection, caller identification. So once you check all that and you're sure you want to deactivate your account, click on the yes and continue button at the bottom area of your screen. So once you click on that, you are going to see this continue option. Again, click on that, and here you have to select the reason why you want to deactivate your account. So for example, I can just say that I don't want to use the app anymore. So once that is my reason, I can just select that. Or if that's not my reason, there is this other reason option at the bottom area. So once you go ahead, select that, you can specify why you want to deactivate your account, and then you can just go ahead and click on continue at the bottom area of your screen, just like that. So once you click on that, your account is going to be deactivated and it will be logged out entirely from the app. So whenever you want to activate your account again, you can just go ahead and enter your login details like your Gmail or your phone number, and you are going to be activated on the app. Right, so that's it on how to deactivate your Truecaller account. If this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.